Hi, my name is Ankit and my project partner is Uzair. We've created a project called Hierarchical Classification of Artwork. This project is about basically the theme is to organize data. Uh, Data around the web is unorganized, and each website follows their own classification. So we are basically targeting museums like LACMA museum website or Norton Salmon museum website, which have their own classification schema. So as you can see here, uh, this is a page. This is a page from LACMA, and here, if you browse the collection by object type, and the object types that you see are paintings, photographs, prints, sculptures, etc. But if you go into paintings, what you find is there is no finer classification of painting. You don't find classifications such as oil painting or acrylic painting. Similar is the case with other museum websites. So our project is basically to give a user a browsing platform which allows more finer level of granularity of search. By so this is the interface of our project, and so here it says discover artwork by painting. So if you want to search for paintings and you say paintings and you type go, so here you're given classes in the paintings that we have in our base our collection. So you have this oil painting, watercolor painting, acrylic painting, and hanging scroll painting. And if you click on any of these, what you see is oil paintings. So if you see all the oil painting instances, and all paintings can be of have can use different techniques. So it says this painting is the oath of Brutus from and using a technique of oil canvas. Similarly, oil on paper on canvas is one. So there are like many instances that we've gathered through all the museums. Similar is the case with watercolor painting. And if you click on any of the artwork here, let's say I want to use no information about any of the paintings, you see this is the painting which has a classification of oil painting. So this oil painting classification is different from the classification that the museum LACMA in this case gives you. So if you click on this page, you see the original artwork page from LACMA, and you see this is a classification of painting, and all on paper on canvas is its medium. Here we've given a final classification. So, and how we've done this is by using knowledge base in the form of Getty AT hierarchy, which is a Getty Art and Architecture Thesaurus, which is on this link. And you see I've opened a hierarchy for all paintings, and all painting is, as you can see, is all painting is a part of painting by material or technique, and it was part of painting by visual works, and so on. So we've used this knowledge to give a finer level granularity of classification of this artwork. Now how we've done this is by using this semantic ranking method that we explained. So how it works is given an input category like painting, and input art technique as oil on canvas and paper. What happens is we generate tokens of this whole string, and then token can be oil on paper and canvas. And for each of these we search the Getty AT hierarchy and generate a master list of all the candidates of the classification in the Getty AT hierarchy. And then to rank those candidates, what we use is this method called semantic ranking, where what we do is, given the candidate oil painting and its classification painting, we find the LCA of these two in the Getty AT hierarchy. And similarly for another candidate such as salted paper photo prints and its category is painting, we find the LC as visual work in this case. So depending on the level of the depth of the LCA, we rank those rank these instances candidates. So the one that which is deeper in the tree hierarchy is ranked higher, which basically interprets to the fact that it is semantically closer to its classification. So yeah, this this basically gives us the result as oil painting, which is correct in this case. Thank you.